Hi folks, and welcome to Section 4 of PAC's video course, Power BI for Business Professionals. In the first video of Section 4, we'll take a look at how to import a custom visualization into Power BI. Custom visualizations, of course, are one of the means by which you can extend the capabilities of Power BI into new areas. We'll start by looking at a very simple visualization. In our browser, we'll go to appsource.microsoft.com, and if we knew what visualization we were looking for, we could simply type it in the search field. However, we might wish to browse some of the available tools, in which case we could click on Apps and then choose Power BI Visuals. Now, of course, anyone can develop a Power BI custom visualization. However, if you download your visualizations from Microsoft's website, you can be assured that each of the visualizations has been verified, so you're not inadvertently downloading potentially malicious code. In this module, we're pretty much going to limit ourselves to custom visualizations created by Microsoft Corporation itself. But you will see that many corporations have contributed custom visualizations to the available toolbox. We're going to grab a custom visualization called dot plot. Because dot plot is very simple, we'll be able to focus on the downloading and installation process without concerning ourselves too much about the details of how it's used. So here is dot plot. It's by Microsoft itself. I'll click on Get It Now, and in order to download any of the custom visualizations from Microsoft's website, you will have to have a Power BI account. I'm going to continue because I have one. If you have not yet started a Power BI account, here is where you will have to do it. Now, when we get to the download page for dot plot, not surprisingly, we can download the dot plot visualization itself. But virtually all the visualizations also provide the option for downloading a sample report, which is to say, an actual Power BI report that uses this custom tool. It's well worthwhile to take the time to download this example report, because very often the easiest way to understand how to use the tool is to look at the example that has been provided by the creators of that tool. Now, once our visualization has downloaded, the only thing that remains is to open up Power BI and try it out. So here's an instance of Power BI that already has loaded the Contoso data source data that we've been looking at. So let's see how we can use this new dot plot tool that we've just downloaded. We go over to the visualization section, and at the very end of all the installed visualizations, we see the three dots, the ellipsis, and if we click on the ellipsis, one of the choices that we have is Import from File. We have a little bit of a warning because, of course, that file could contain malicious code. Since we downloaded this one from Microsoft's website, we're confident that it does not, so we'll go ahead and click Import. There's the file that we're going to import. And notice it has the extension PBIVIZ for Power BI Visualization. When we import the report, it only takes a moment. And now if we go back to the visualization section, we see that there's a new icon in the toolbox. If we click on that icon, we've now pasted the empty dot plot visualization into our report canvas. To actually see if it works, we can grab sales amount, and then we'll go up to the geography dimension, and we'll grab continent name. And here we see our dot plot. Curiously, this dot plot is not very satisfying from a numerical standpoint. We see that Asia is just a little bit more than Europe, but it has twice as many dots. North America is well over twice the quantity of Asia, but it doesn't have twice the number of dots. So there's something a little off in the proportion. But we've seen that we can download and easily use a custom visualization that was not part of the built-in Power BI canvas. I'd like to thank you for watching.